So this lesson, we are going to be setting up Google Sites. So if you've never set up Google Sites before, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set that up and how to get started creating your first Google site.
This video is brought to you by Appy's Academy.
So first of all, you are going to need to have a Google account. I've already logged into my Google account and I've gone over to the Drive folder. So you're welcome to log into your Google account. Go to your Drive, which is drive.google.com/drive, and this will give you access to all of the content you currently have on your Drive. And one of the easiest ways to make any one of the Google suite of products is then go into New, and this is where you've got the drop down with your Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and typically you're going to see Google Sites under More. Now there's also another option, of course. You can go to sites.google.com, and this will show you all of the new sites that you have available, all of the sites that you currently have available within your portfolio. And all of these sites are automatically going to be added to your Drive, just like any other files that you might be working on and creating within your Google projects. So everything is centralized within Drive. And then whenever you want to access sites, you can go over to the sites website, or you can go over to your Drive and access a site. So to create a site is really easy, and you can create as many sites as you like, and then you can publish those sites and share them, as well as control who you can share that content to. Restrict it, the sharing permissions, to make the site accessible to only people who you want to have access to the site. Google Sites is also optimized to be responsive. So that means that they're ready for tablets and smartphones as well. So a Google site is not public until you actually go and you publish it to make it public. Sites will also save any of the changes that you make automatically. So in order to create a site, click the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner, and this will open up the pop-up menu and create a brand new site. And you're going to be ready to move on to the next lesson, where I'm going to show you some of the easy things that you can do to create your site really quickly. And remember, again, the site is not published until you click the publish button, and this will give you the ability to publish it, and you can also share it with others. And I'm going to be going over some of these amazing features in the upcoming lessons.